Now that we've illustrated how to remove the cylinder body from the Elements lever, we are going to move on to the Welcome Home lever and the Collections lever. In order to do so, you will again need the Weiser 236 Builder keying kit. You will need the cylinder removing tool. You will need a 3 and 30-second Allen key. And if it is installed on the door already, a screwdriver to remove the lever. In order to remove the handle from the lever body, take the 3 and 30-second Allen key, insert it, and actually undo the lever hand and simply remove from the body. In order to remove the cylinder from the lever handled body, we are going to push the actual silver clip away from the body with our cylinder removing tool and simply release the clip, set the clip aside, and release the cylinder. We have now released the cylinder from the lever body. If you wish to replace the cylinder or replace it with a pin and tumbler, you will follow this process. If you wish to replace it with the pin and tumbler for rekeying purposes, please refer to the Elements lever rekeying process. In order to replace the cylinder into the lever housing, simply insert the cylinder. It will only go in one way. We are going to take the clip, simply replace this back onto the housing. We're going to take our lever, replace it onto the lever housing. Take our 3 and 30-second Allen key and simply twist the lever back into position.